Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. In the last episode, we went over meta attributes, and in this one, we are going to be going over the clamping within the attribute definition. For intelligence, technically speaking, we do not need clamping, but we are going to be touching on it to make sure you guys understand what it is. Obviously, no clamping, meaning there's no clamping. Before we go over this enumeration, enforce absolute maximum cap. Um, think about this in terms of, say, Elden Ring or any other Souls game. When you hit 99, you can never go over 99 for any of the primary attributes. So if your game needs that and you don't want them to ever go over 99 no matter what, just turn this on and select absolute maximum. I have it defaulted to 99 because we have a time tested example of 99 being the max, and you're good to go. You won't ever have to worry about that. So if they equip a ring that increases the value of strength by 5, but they're already at 99, it'll stay at 99. If this isn't attached, then because it's an item and it's temporary, it will put it over 99. It'll put it at 104. Because clamping only clamps um, the permanent changes, not the temporary stuff. So if we come here to clamping, you can choose minimum only. So if we don't want it to go under a specific number, so obviously 0 is the default there. Maximum only. For some reason, minimum value is showing. I need to get that removed. At which point you can choose a fixed value or an attribute. So in case of health, if we come over here to health real quick, or an attribute, so its max value is max health. Or you can have a fixed value of, in this case, 100. Then you have the initialize to max value. Why this is important, oh so very important, is if we don't do that, we don't have this set marked to true, then health starts at 100, which means when you play a new game for the very first time, their health is going to start at 100 and then slowly start regenerating to max. You check mark this, then it's going to check the max value, max health's value, and automatically set it for us. I would recommend not starting this at 0 for the sole reason that if you do, then you could break it because it's working as intended. Health is at 0, stop regeneration, all that, the whole thing. So have a number there just in case. In most cases, I want to say in all cases, you'd never have to worry about it, but better safe than sorry. So that is everything for clamping. Clamping is controlled in the attribute set, like I said. So if you want to use this and you're using an external one, then you would need to alter the C++ of that specific attribute set. Thank you so much for watching, and in the next one, we will go over the attribute modification data.